myself with some paperwork to the office. Forget it, Miss Arthur. By the way, how are things going on in your life lately?
Seems well.
Here goes Olga. How about steak and Coke Zero?
No comment. No comment.
Coke Zero? Did you know that Coke Zero is actually from Dubai?
Oh yeah, I learned it from Sir Charles during college.
Exactly. So are you still ordering it?
I don't know it. How about you? What are you ordering?
Let's see. One of the Spanish, please. And Coke as well. As for my drinks, since I'm on a strict diet, I'll have water.
On a strict diet, huh?
Yeah. Okay. And then food arrives.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, can I have water, please, for both of us?
Well, goes.
What kind of soup is that?
Open it.
What kind of soup is that? I'm not sure. I just ordered it. It looks delicious.
Oh, and you said you're on a diet?
Oh, it's seafood. Yes, it's mollusk.
Did you know that mollusks were eaten long before around 3,000 million years ago?
Yeah, we discussed this during our class as well, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's really disgusting thinking about that insect eating aristocrats.
The Romans?
Ew!
So how was it? Did you? I'm not really fond of mollusk. Yeah, mollusk. It's salted. It's okay. I'll take it. Oh, did you know that octopus use long time ago to preserve food?
Well, it actually still bears the same purpose these days.
Yeah, seriously, it's so good.
I know, I know. Let me ask you then. What was the first two elements used as food before?
Easy. Water itself?
Boo, it's water and ice.
Yeah.
But I wonder how they fill up their stomachs with ice. I mean, it's just water that is frozen. Weird.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, let's just eat before our food alcohol.
Ah, mushrooms!
What's wrong with mushrooms?
I learned that historians tell that prehistoric people used to consume fungi and mushrooms.
The ancient Romans